Hi guys, it's me, Vivian, and welcome to Remington Just For You video series. In this video, I will teach you different styles and techniques just for you using our very own Remington personal care products. So, stay tuned and follow this series. Hi guys, I'm Vivian Visconde, hair and makeup artist. I've been doing hair and makeup professionally for the past 5 years, and I'm here today to share with you different but easy to do hairstyles using this wonderful Remington brand of hairstyling tools in whatever looks you wish for: elegant formal, stylish rugged, or gorgeous casual. Fun fact, call it destiny, for I have been using my trusty Remington hair care products for more than 5 years already. In partnership with Docums Philippines Incorporated, we will have lots of fun doing some magic of bringing out the beauty of everyone. Yes, it can be done the Remington way. So, let's get started. So, today we will be using our Remington Wet to Straight Pro Hair Iron. So, ang model natin for today is si Francine. So, Francine, ang gagawin naman natin sa hair mo today is claw clip hairstyle. So, ready ka na? Okay, let's start. So, guys, before tayo mag-start, pakita ko lang yung settings and onting features ng ating Remington Wet to Straight Pro. So, meron tayong buttons. Ayan, tatlo siya. For temperature yung dalawa, and then yung isa naman is on and off. So, guys, para ma-indicate na naka-on na yung ating wet mode, kailangan lang nating i-press yung plus button ng 3 seconds. So, ayan. Pag nag-blue na siya, that means naka-on na yung wet mode. So, if i-off naman natin, ganun lang ulit. Press lang ulit natin. Ayan. Tapos, guys, meron din siyang feature na para hindi mo magalaw yung kanyang temperature, ilalak natin siya. Ayan. Yung minus sign naman yung ipipress natin ng 3 seconds. Ayan. So, ayan. Unlock natin. Tapos, tsaka natin pwedeng baguhin yung kanyang settings. Para maiwasan natin yung biglang nagpapalit ng temperature. And then, meron din tayong hinge lock. Ayan. Tapos, included din yung ating pouch. So, yun lang. Start na tayo. So guys, part muna natin yung hair ni Francine into 3 before tayo mag-start ng ating curls. First section muna natin, kuha tayo ng hair. Ayan. Then, sa curls natin guys, soft waves lang ulit. So, clamp natin ulit. Turo ko ulit sa inyo yung pag-soft waves natin. Clamp lang natin, then twist, tapos pull natin siya. Ayan. Clamp, then twist. By the way guys, our Remington Wet to Straight Pro has exclusive venting system, quickly removing and evaporating excess water with every stroke and releasing it through the outer housing surrounding the plate. This dries your hair whilst you straighten. So guys, sa pag-curls natin, depende yung soft waves kung gaano mo katagal i-stay yung hair iron sa hair during ng ating pag-slide. So kung tatagalan natin siya guys, mas kukulot siya. And then pag mabilis naman yung hagod natin, mas soft yung curls na magagawa natin. Gawin lang natin yung gantong way ng pag-curl hanggang sa kabilang section ng hair ni Francine. Ang gagawin natin guys is ititis lang natin siya since medyo flat yung hair niya. So pag-tis natin, start tayo dito, hindi sa middle. Kasi pag sa middle tayo kumuha guys, ang mangyayari is ninipis yung pinakadulong hair. So ang gagawin natin is dito. So guys, gagawin ko lang ulit to sa kabilang side ng hair ni Francine. Then proceed na tayo sa ating main hairstyle. So guys, ang gagawin natin is magtitira lang tayo ng bangs ni Francine para may konting volume pa rin tayo kahit paano. So both sides yan. Ayan. And then kunin natin lahat ng hair ni Francine. Tapos, brush lang natin. So, guys, inipon ko lang yung hair niya. And then, usually kasi ang ginagawa natin sa ating claw clip is tinatwist lang natin. And, ayan, ganyan. Pero guys, tuturuan ko kayo ng hack. Ayan. Para mas ma-volume yung ating claw clip. So, first, gawa muna tayo ng pony. So guys, kailangan hindi siya tight. Ayan. Para ma-adjust natin siya. Tapos, hatiin natin siya sa gitna. Ayan. And then, yung papasok natin yung hair, yung mismong ponytail, dito sa ginawa nating hati sa gitna. Ayan. So, as you can see, meron siyang volume. Tapos, ang gagawin lang natin, pag gusto pa natin siyang sikipan, ayan, tayo ng dalawang section, tapos, tsaka lang natin siya hatakin. So guys, itong ginawa natin na topsy sa likod. Ang tawag kasi dito is topsy. So, yung topsy natin is magsisilbing volume. Ayan. So, tsaka lang natin siya ilalagay. So, pag style naman ng bangs, ang gagawin lang natin is ayan, palabas. Para magkaroon siya ng effect na medyo parang pa-curtain lang. So, ayan, ito. Isa pa. Ayan, yung palabas. Then guys, hatak-hatak lang tayo ng onte para mas umangat pa yung hair niya. So guys, we're done. Proceed muna tayo sa makeup. So guys, this is the final look for our claw clip hairstyle. Thank you for watching.
I just wanna